You can expect a lot from the 2018 Kia Niro. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, lane departure warning, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.